Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a few tips to do if you can find your Bluetooth accessory on the VIVO V15 PRO. So when I have a problem with my headphones or any other Bluetooth gadgets, I'm always starting from the simplest way, just reset. So you can start from the resetting your phone by holding the power button for a few seconds and tapping the restart. You can also try to restart your Bluetooth connection by opening the settings, then go to the other networks and choose Bluetooth. Now just switch it off and switch it on again to restart the Bluetooth connection. It's obvious, I know, but sometimes it really works. Okay, at the start you have to be sure that your Bluetooth accessory is in the pair mode. How to activate pair mode, you need to find it in your manual to your device. Sometimes you have to push the functional button for 3 seconds, for example, or 5 times. Modern gadget just starting the pair mode after turning it on, so you have to check it by yourself in the manual or maybe on your YouTube channel. And if you're sure that your Bluetooth accessory should be visible for other devices but it's still not for your phone, go to the settings again, choose system management and choose backup and reset. Now tap on the reset network settings. How you can see, the Bluetooth is included here, so tap on the reset settings, configure a pattern on the code and click on the reset settings again. After that, look for the device on the Bluetooth list. You can also try to update your system. How to do it? Just go to the settings like before and now just go to the system update. If you have any updates, just download it and install. After that, look for the device again. And the last recommendation from me, check your Bluetooth accessory in your phone on other Bluetooth device to check which one is visible, which one is making problem here. That's it. Thanks for the watching. Leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.